Going to take those and transform, okay? Naomi, are we changing the x at all? No, so we're going to write x back. Are we changing the y at all?
Yeah.
Good. Can you tell me on the top what you write?
On the top?
Oh, yeah, like this spot right here.
-2y plus 4.
Good. Can you do me a favor and give me 4 inputs and 5 outputs? Inputs.
-2, -1, 0, 1, 2.
Good. Outputs.
26, 4, 2, -12.
Okay. Confirm, Dunai?
Yes.
All right, I'm just going to plot. So -2, whoa, positive 20. Obviously, you were only giving a 10 by 10. So if you need to, you can just go 20 is about up there somewhere. Make a dot up there. -1, positive 6, 2, 4, 6. 0 is positive 4. 1 is now positive 2. And 2 is -12. You can definitely make extra tick marks for that. Why? Is this a straight line? Wyatt, is it a straight line? No. Okay. Transformations. Okay. Elena, give me all 3 transformations, hon. How do we state those? Good. Reflect over x-axis. That takes care of the negative. Next. 2 is a bigger value than 1, Elena, so it can't be compression. Vertical. Good. Okay. And then last transformation. Up 4 units. Beautiful. Good job. All right, let's fill out the table. Hannah, can you give me the values for H and K?
0, 4.
0, 4. Can you, Brandon, give me the range? Good. Grace, do we have an x-intercept or no? Yes. Can we eyeball that? No. So we're going to solve it manually. X-intercept, Adam, is y equals to what? Good. Okay. So 0 equals, the original equation was -2x to the third plus 4. Chizuki, can you help us solve for x? What did you do first? And then next? -4 to both sides. Good. So now we have -4 minus 2x to the third. I'm sorry, equal to -2x to the third. What's next? Divided by -2. So we have positive 2 equals x to the third. What's your last step, Chizuki? Cube root. Okay, good job. Guys, if you choose to give me the exact answer, this is cube root of 2. Now, at the same time, I want you to practice using your calculator. Punch it in. And then I'm going to shuffle your card to give me a decimal approximation to 2 decimal places. So to the nearest 100. I will always say exact decimals, the exact one. But for sake of practicing, I'll use a calculator. Punch it in. Round to 2 decimal places. Devin, what's the decimal approximation, hon?
I rounded it to 1.26.
26. Someone confirm that for me. Is it 1.26?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. So, guys, I can't go any. I need you guys to be really quiet, okay? All right. So, on your homework, on your practice assignment, you may write it as a third root of 2, or you may write it as 1.26 comma 0. Based on the graph, Slater, is this function an increasing function or decreasing? Decreasing. Good job. So on the increase, we will write NA. Slater, decreasing from where to where, hon? Good. And beyond, you're right. Y-intercept. What is the value for that, Mariana? What's the y-intercept? Beautiful. What is the domain for this particular function? Emily, what's the domain for this, hon? Wonderful. And rate of change, Jake. Perfect. Is it a 1-to-1, Dahlia? Yes. So, can you guys see, besides the way that the graph looks differently, all of the math has been the same? Okay. Next, we're going to review. Guess what we're reviewing? Yeah. You guys can't pass the class without factoring. Ready? Okay. What are the formulas for factoring sum and difference of two cubes? A couple days ago, you had a homework, and you were asked to practice or review factoring sum and difference of two cubes. And I said, okay, if you don't already have it memorized, go ahead and write in your homework. Take 30 seconds and write that in right now in your notes. Give me the formula for factoring sum and difference of two cubes. Okay, so you write down the sum and difference formula. Go back. In your team, take out your own homework. You had the homework just a couple nights ago, where I said, if you don't have this memorized, write it in. Okay? Okay, hint class, it has two sets of quantity. One's a binomial, one's a trinomial. Right? All right. Alyssa and Maggie, your team, give me the formula for AQ plus BQ formula. Shh. Alyssa and Maggie is going to tell us the AQ plus BQ formula.
Parentheses A minus B squared.
For AQ plus BQ?
A minus B squared.
Not AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ. What do we start with? A plus B. Okay. What's in the bigger trinomial quantity? Devin?
A squared minus AB plus B squared.
Right. Okay. That is the sum of two cubes. Remember we talked about this a long time ago in Unit 1. Remember the word soap? Is that coming back? Soap means what? Yeah. S stands for same sign, right? And then O stands for opposite sign and always positive. Okay? All right, over here, raise your hand and give me the formula for AQ minus BQ. What do we start with? So, yes, Chris. Same sign, Right opposite, Always. Yep, good job. Now, some of you are confused with the difference of two squares. The sum and difference of two square is not identical to the sum and difference of two cubes. If you have a square plus b square, is this factorable? No, y'all, not factorable at all. This is called prime. Okay, aka prime. Now, if you have a square minus b square, is this factorable? Yes. What are the factors? A plus b times. That's right. Okay. You have 4 questions today, and then we're going to fill out the chart on the next page, and that's it. Factor completely. When factoring, what is the first thing we check for? Yep. Do we have one for 1? Yeah. What's the GCF? Good. Take that out. You take out an x squared. You should have an x squared left. Plus how many x's? 3. Minus what? 18. Can we factor further, or is that it? Go further. All right, your job right now, y'all, is to go further with the trinomial. Once you have an answer, write it in and box it up. I will give you a minute. So,
That's just regular.
now it is regular. It's a back to trinomial. X cubed plus dx minus 18. Go further with the trinomial of x squared plus 3x minus 18. If you're done with number 1 and you box it up, can you do me a favor and compare your answer before we move into 2? Yeah, you definitely move on to 2, but check the answer first.
And then minus 18.
Box your answers when you're done. Check it with your friends. And move on to 2. Check it. Talk to each other. Check to see if you can back your quiz.
Well, A will just be X. X cubed. No, 3A.
If you never want to go on to 2, please.
X plus 3. X plus 3. X is not 1. It will just be
They don't match up though when you keep going.
X minus 3X.
Nathaniel, when you're ready, can you give me the final answer to number 1? X squared times what?
Cubic root, not cubic root, not cube. 27.
Oh, we got x squared, x minus 3. That's what we're doing.
X squared times x minus 3 times?
X plus 6.
X plus 6. Okay. Kenzie, did you agree with Nathaniel? Okay. All right, number 2. Okay. How many terms, question, do we have on 2?
4.
Good. How do we factor 4 terms?
Skip the first step and go straight.
You're right. Factor by grouping. Perfect. Go to do number 2. Go. And then I'm going to call you to give me the final answer for 2. Guys, this is a review. It's not a lecture, so please don't wait for me to do it.
Because kind of similar to work number 6, where it was times 26 plus x cubed. Wait.
This is the difference this one is the balance of 3. Wait, no, it's x. No, it's not A plus B, it's A times B. You're not solving, you're factoring.
Once you're done, Alan, can you check the answer to C?
No, it doesn't. It just says a squared minus b plus b squared.
Sorry, I just put your No, factoring what we take out what we have in common. So what do we have in common? Yeah, we factor one group at a time. All right, Chris, ready?
Yes.
Final answer for 2, hon.
2, x squared minus 2 and 2x plus 5.
X, wait, slowly. X squared minus what? 2 times
2x plus 5.
2x plus 5. Okay. Okay. Confirm? Deny? Confirmed. Now, guys, on 3 and 4, I will give you the first step here, and then I will let you complete it on your own. Okay. Shh. I would like for you to pay attention. I will let you help your friends soon. Voice? Okay. X to the third plus 27. You might see that this is a sum of what? 2 cubes. Okay. What is raised to the third gives us x to the third? X. Okay. What is raised to the third gives us 27? Right. So your A is equivalent to x, and your B is equivalent to what? 3. The formula A cubed plus B cubed. Guys, every time you do your homework or every time you're taking notes, write the formula down. So by the time that you are taking an exam, it's already in your memory. What is the formula, Madeline, for A cubed plus B cubed? Times A plus B times. Good job. Okay. So our question, what is the A value? Riley, what's the A value for our number 3? Good. What's the B value, Diego, for this question? Good. Okay. Just chug it in. If you know the formula, you chug it in. Hun, what will x squared be? What would A squared be then? Right here. We're the next step. We're filling right here, hun. What would do? Oh, I didn't mean to. What do we fill in that spot? That is x squared.
No, it's not.
Okay.
No, it should be x squared plus x.
So x squared minus 2. Okay. A times B, Alyssa, what would be that value? Next spot, right here.
X squared minus x times 3.
So x times 3 would be 3x. Good. Okay. I'm going to wait for you guys to stop the side conversations. Thank you. And then the very last term, Sophia C, can you tell me what B squared would equate to?
4 squared.
Remember, your B is 3, hun. Oh, that's okay.
3 squared.
Which would make it a?
9.
9. Beautiful. And box that up. Okay. All right. Our final one in reviewing of factoring. Something to the third minus something to the third. What is raised to the third power equal to 125x to the third? 5. 5 what? Beautiful. Good job. What is raised to the third give us 64, Kyler? What's raised to the third give us 64? Beautiful. So this is equation is A cubed minus B cubed. So Brian, what's the formula for factoring A cubed minus B cubed?
A minus B.
Beautiful.
A squared plus AB.
Good job. Way to go. Okay. Let's fill it in. A minus B. What did we write, Megan, on this first spot? What's A? What's B?
A is 5.
5. 5. Thank you.
Minus 4.
Beautiful. Okay. Now, this is the part where I want you to be very careful. It's a quantity A square. So again, Trevor, what's A?
It would be, I wrote 5x.
Okay. Why 5 at quantity square, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
25x squared.
That's right. That's why I want to write this step for you. A, again, is going to be 5x. B is 4. This is the part that a lot of us would make that mistake if we don't have the quantity. Okay, so 4 goes here. So would you agree this stays exactly the same, 5x minus 4. But Autumn, would you agree the first term in this trinomial is not 5x squared? What would it be? Yeah, so if you guys don't have the quantity, you will get this piece wrong, so be very cautious, okay? So the middle term is going to be 20x, and the last term is just going to be what? 16, and we can box that up. Next page, I just want you to recognize the the perfect cubes, okay? Yes. Because it's a squared. It's the whole term squared. So your a is 5x. So the whole term has to be squared, not just x squared. Would you agree? A for this piece is 5x, so you have to square the entire piece. Does that make sense? You're squaring 5x. Because a is 5x. Did I answer that right? Yeah. All right, here we go. Diego, we're going to go backwards. What's 10 cubed? Ooh, good job. Okay. Megan, what's 9 cubed? $729. All right. All right. Tyler, what's 8 cubed? Shh.
512.
Thank you, sir. 512. Okay. Han, what's 7 cubed? 343. 343. Someone confirm those so far? Yeah. Wyatt, what's 6 cubed?
216.
216. 5 cubed. Question.
125.
Good. 4 to the third. Class? Yeah. These ones you should know. 3 to the third. 2 to the third. 1 to the third. Now, why do you think I'm bringing this up? Perfect cube. We're in a unit called cubic. That means if you see these numbers, you should be able to recognize that it's factorable. Would you guys agree? Beautiful. Take out your project paper.